Hey guys, in this video I'll show you how to import a Web3 wallet on the OKX app. In this case, I'm going to be using a BitGet wallet and we're going to import that into the OKX app. Just as an example, you can do this for any Web3 wallet. The first thing I want you to do is just launch your Web3 wallet. In this case, I'm using a BitGet. Come here at the top left, click on this icon. Then from here, just click on this arrow. And this is our profile, right? I want you to just go ahead and click here on View Mnemonics, okay? And then click here on View Mnemonics again. Remember to keep these private to your Face ID or your authentication. And then what I want you to do is just back it up. So tap there to view the phrase. Make sure you copy it somewhere, okay? And then click on Backup Done. Now after that, just open your OKX app. And then what I want you to go ahead and do is add a wallet, okay? So come here, we'll just add the wallet, okay? Just click on this one, and then click on Add Wallet. Now, I want you to click on Import Wallet, and they're going to ask you what you want to import it with. In this case, choose seed phrase or private key, which is basically the mnemonics we copied, okay? And then just enter the seed phrase or private key right here. You can paste it. Click on confirm, click on OK, and it would go ahead and load in, basically be imported. Really that easy and simple. If you found this helpful, make sure you smash that like button and subscribe to the channel.